Customize every email and communicate with students and instructors using your own email design. Automate your email communication with the Academy LMS email add-on. In this video, we'll dive into how to set up and customize email templates for notifications on your LMS platform. Start by heading to the Add-on section. Search for the email add-on and turn it on. Click on the settings icon to open the email notification settings page, where you'll find various notification templates, such as new instructor registration, course enrollment, course completion, new student registration, assignment submission, quiz submission, email verification. You can enable or disable the requirement for new users to verify their email address when registering on your platform. Next, let's customize the general email settings. Set a common sender name for all your emails. Enter the email address that will be used to send notifications. Choose the email content type, HTML or plain text. Add a footer text for branding or additional information. Upload a logo to give your emails a professional touch. Once you're done, click Save to apply these changes. Now let's move on to customizing specific email templates. For this tutorial, we'll work with the Enroll Course Notification template. Enable or disable the notification for admin when a new enrollment happens. Click Edit Template to start editing. On the right-hand side, you'll see a live preview of the template. At the bottom of the editor, you'll find helpful email variables for dynamic content customization. Next, let's edit the student notification for course enrollment. Update the email subject line to make it relevant and engaging. Customize the email heading and add any additional content you want. Use the provided variables to personalize the email content further. You can also enable or disable this email notification directly from the editor. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Save to apply them. After customization, preview your email template to ensure it looks perfect. Click Send Test Mail to send a sample email. Check your inbox to verify how the email appears in real time. This is how your users will experience your email notifications. Let's test the template in action. Open any course on your platform and click the Enroll button. You can confirm that you are successfully enrolled in the course. Check your email and you'll find a notification confirming your course enrollment. Open the email to see the detailed information and ensure it matches your customization. And that's how you can set up and customize email notifications in Academy LMS. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.